Hello gang. So all of these are scrap from my sawmill, but they're still good firewood. It's sweet gum. It's not the best firewood in the world, but definitely we burn it around here. Burns pretty hot and it burns pretty fast. But I'm gonna cut it up. This is the first time I've ever done it like this. This is my log horse, or my log station. It's busted up from the last big time I put it up. The time I put a big oak on there, but it'll still work for this. Let's see how well it does. I figure this will be this situation. It would be almost likely to throw a chain, so definitely wear your gloves. And if you're real smart, wear some what are they called? Chaps. So obviously, I'm not real smart. Well, I figured it was still warm. Alright, I'm going to go stack these and then come back for some more. Love this stuff. by little, go stack it. Okay, we got a nice little fire going. It's not needed, but I want to burn up that. Most of the stuff that's in here right now is just absolute the trash. This stuff right here, it's all going to be good firewood for in here in the stove. One thing that I will say about sweet gum is that it leaves a lot of ash, and in doing so I would assume that it's not an efficient wood. I don't know, that's my guess, but out here it's fine. Usually, I mean, in my garage stove, because when you're in the garage, honestly, I mean, how often do you go, I need a fire? Because usually I'm in a jacket or something like that, and so it's rare that I actually need a fire out in my garage. But how you like my little Vestal stuff? I like it a lot. I just got it, cleaned it all up, painted it, and you know, the paint of course is already coming off. Get one good hot fire in there and you see how non-heat resistant, heat resistant paint actually is. Anyways, but we're doing good. I'm happy and having fun out here today. And I'm doing this. I gave my smoker away because it's time for me to get a better smoker. However, this Thursday I got a guest coming over and we are going to be smoking a leg of lamb, and I was like, oh crap, I gave my smoker away and I haven't bought a new one yet. So this is how you make a $15 smoker, guys. You get one of these small cans, and who knows what they shipped in that stuff, and not to mention the liner on the inside is, you know, you can't smoke something in there and expect that stuff not to get into your food. So what you do is you build a nice good fire and it burns off all that crap. Now every time I do this, it seems like it doesn't quite burn off the outside. I mean, that stuff is like crazy gone. You see that right there? I just wiped it. So it's like it's wet paint at this point, but it won't quite burn off. On the inside, however, it does. It burns off really nice. And then I'm going to take and weld up some brackets so that I can have this in there, sitting right down in it, like about, I don't know, about 3/5 of the way up. I'll probably have it somewhere like that. All right. So we got the holes at the bottom to feed the air in. We got this, that'll hold the meat, and then we'll put the lid on. And remember, you got to burn the lid too. This is galvanized, these lids are. So as soon as that burns down far enough, I'll start putting the lid on there so you can burn off all of the harmful chemicals. Anyways, and that will be a quick and easy little smoker there. So I want a green egg, I guess you could say. I want one of those. I don't know. But my other smoker was a very basic one, and I wanted it that way because I wanted to learn how to smoke primitively. But then I always kind of knew I'd get a green egg once I learned it. But for me, to get a green egg right straight from the beginning, that's like cheating. The electric ones that use the little pellets, that's cheating. The electric one that doesn't use anything but electric, and then you put in some wood chips, that's cheating. I mean, it's all fine. You come up with a really tasty product with those. You really do. But I'm kind of hard on myself, and I want to learn how to do it the primitive way. And I've got that pretty well, narrowed down. Now I'm pretty good at it. Actually smoking with wood in a primitive old smoker. And but now that I've learned that, it's time to step up and relax and get something that's easy, like a big green egg. And there's a estate sale this weekend that should have one. We'll see how much they're asking. I'm not about paying $1,200 for one brand new, so maybe I can get it for $300 or $400. I don't know. We'll see. And that's all for this video. See you guys.